In this video, you will know about how AI works, why do critics fear AI could be dangerous, is AI leading to the extinction of humanity, how ChatGPT and Snapchat's My AI works, and due to these, which type of jobs are at risk because of AI. To know all the facts, watch the video till end. Artificial intelligence technology is developing at high speed and transforming many aspects of modern life. However, some experts fear that it could be used for malicious purposes and may threaten jobs. AI allows a computer to act and respond almost as if it was a human. Computers can be fed huge amount of information and trained to identify the patterns in it in order to make predictions, solve problems, and even learn from their own mistakes. As well as data, AI relies on algorithms, list of rules which must be followed in the correct order to complete a task. The technology is behind the voice-controlled virtual assistants Siri and Alexa. It lets Spotify, YouTube suggest what you might want to play next and helps Facebook and Twitter decide which social media posts to show users. AI lets Amazon analyze customers' buying habits to recommend future purchases. And the firm is also using the technology to crack down on fake reviews. Two powerful applications or apps which have become very high profile in recent months are ChatGPT and Snapchat's My AI. They are examples of what is called generative AI. This uses the patterns and structures it identifies in vast quantities of source data to generate new and original content which feel like it has been created by a human. The AI is coupled with a computer program known as chatbot, which talks to human users via text. The apps can answer questions, tell stories, and write computer codes. But both programs sometimes generate incorrect answers for users and can reproduce the bias contained in their source material, such as sexism or racism. With few rules currently in place governing how AI is used, experts have warned that its rapid growth could be dangerous. Some even said that AI research should be halted. In May, Geoffrey Hinton, who is widely considered to be one of the fathers of artificial intelligence, quit his job at Google, warning that AI chatbots could soon be more intelligent than humans. Later that month, the US-based Center for AI Safety published a statement supported by dozens of leading tech specialists. They argue AI could be used to generate misinformation that could destabilize society. In the worst-case scenario, they say machines might become so intelligent that they take over and leading to the extinction of humanity. AI has the potential to revolutionize the world of work, but this raises questions about which roles it might displace. A recent report suggests that AI could replace the equivalent of 300 million full-time jobs across the globe. As certain tasks and job functions become automated, that equates to a quarter of all the work humans currently do in the US and Europe. A number of industries and roles that could be affected, including administrative jobs, legal work, architecture, and management. But it also identified huge potential benefits for many sectors and predicted that AI could lead to 7% increase in the global GDP. Some areas of medicine and science are already taking advantage of AI, with doctors using the technology to help spot cancer and scientists using it to develop new antibiotics.